Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Linstead Primary up against Homestead Primary, both from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier, we had the toss and Homestead Primary won and decided to send Linstead Primary to go first. So we begin with Linstead Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Linstead Primary. Which man, because he was short, climbed into a tree to see Jesus?
Nebuchadnezzar.
Incorrect, Zacchaeus. Science. That should be Bible knowledge for Homestead. Into what type of tree did Zacchaeus climb to see Jesus?
A sycamore tree. A sycamore tree.
That is correct. Science, Linstead. The ball and socket joint is found in the human brain. Is this statement true or false?
False. False.
Correct. Homestead. The incus is the name of a small bone in the human nose. Is this statement true or false?
False. False.
That is correct. International affairs, Linstead. Rishi Sunak is the Prime Minister of which country?
France.
Incorrect, it's Great Britain. Homestead. Xi Jinping is the President of which country?
China. China.
That is correct. English language, Linstead. Spell consumption.
Mine, C-O-N-E-S-U-N-T-I-O-N.
Incorrect. It's C-O-N-S-U-M-P-T-I-O-N. Homestead. Spell infringe.
Infringe. Make I take it. I-N-F-R-I-N-G-E.
Correct. Television. Linstead. What type of animal is the cartoon character Snoopy?
Dog.
Correct. Homestead. What breed of dog is the cartoon character Snoopy?
A beagle.
That is correct. General knowledge, Linstead. Which Caribbean country's national flag has a left green triangle which features a small nutmeg?
Grenada.
That is correct. Homestead. Which Caribbean country's national flag has triangles symbolizing the island's famous pitons, the twin volcanic peaks?
Barbados.
Incorrect, it's St. Lucia. Social studies, Linstead. What season of the year falls between March 20th and June 20th in the Northern Hemisphere?
Summer.
Incorrect, it's spring. Homestead. What season of the year falls between September 22nd and December 21st in the Northern Hemisphere?
Autumn.
That is correct. Music, Linstead. Which Jamaican has won the British talent show, The X Factor? Incorrect, it's Dalton Harris. Homestead. Which Jamaican has won the US singing talent show, The Voice?
Brianna.
Incorrect, it's Tessan Chin. Mathematics, Linstead. What is the square root of 144 plus the square of 9?
Thirty-six.
Incorrect, it's 93. Homestead. What is 9 squared minus the square root of 49? No need to press the buzzer.
18.
Incorrect, it's 74. Sports. Won't be able to get to that question. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Linstead Primary on 3 and Homestead Primary on 6. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.